Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss how investors can protect their shareholding in the company. As an investor, it's important to ensure that your percentage of shareholding in the company is secure. However, investing in a company can be risky, and your investment can be at risk if the company issues new shares or if other shareholders sell their shares. In this video, we will discuss the 4 essential clauses that every investor should negotiate to protect their investment and shareholding in the company. There are 4 most important clauses to have in the shareholders' agreement to protect the shareholding of an investor. 1. Anti-Dilution Rights Clause. 2. Preemptive Rights Clause. 3. Right of First Refusal. 4. Veto Rights. Now we will discuss each one of them in brief. First is Anti-Dilution Rights Clause. Through this clause, the investor can protect its shareholding in case of new shares are issued by the company. This anti-dilution is usually achieved by an adjustment formula through which the investor's original shareholding or investment is protected. Second is the preemptive rights clause. If the company issues new shares, then the investor will be entitled to purchase those shares before any other person, in proportionate to the dilution that has happened to the investor's shareholding due to the issuance of new shares, to protect his shareholding in the company. For example, first, before the issuance of new shares, investor had 30 shares out of 100 shares. That means 30% shareholding in the company. Second, after the issuance of new shares, 100 new shares have been issued plus 100 previous shares, which are now 200 shares in total. Investor still has 30 shares out of 200 shares. That means 15% shareholding in the company after the dilution. Now the investor will purchase shares for another 15% stake in the company. Third is the right of first refusal clause. The investor will be entitled to the right of first refusal in case of any shareholder wants to sell their shares. They shall ask the investor first to purchase those shares before selling them to any third party. Fourth is veto rights clause. Through this clause, the company cannot issue new or fresh shares without the consent of the investor. This enables the investor to protect their shareholding in the company. Or, consent of the investor shall be taken before passing any resolution or decision that will have an adverse effect on the shareholders' agreement. Note, this right can be decided between the investor and the company. According to this, the investor's consent will be required for a particular decision of the company.